Why do I regret buying the Godox VL300? This is why I regret buying the VL300. This is the power unit. This power unit is on back order at B&H. Why would this power unit be on back order at B&H? Because people keep ordering it, but it comes with the actual light, so you wouldn't need to buy this separately. You only need to buy this separately because it stops working after about a year, and that's what happened to me. I use this light as my key light mainly. It's done fairly well. I would say the build quality isn't very good. I will say that the fact that it has two separate units you have to use together, there is a little V-mount clip you can clip on here and hang it on the light, but it's just something that gets in the way. I much prefer the aperture way where it's just one unit and you plug it in. And I actually do have a 120D that I've had for over a year and it hasn't went out on me. So the money I saved and the time I've now lost not having a key light is why I regret buying the VL300. So do yourself a favor and don't buy the VL300. At the minimum, I would at least get a NAM light because they do come with a 2-year warranty and it goes up to 3-year warranty when you register on the website. And I think their build quality is a little bit better. However, I have not used their product yet, but I'm gonna stick with Aperture and pay a little bit extra and go that route since I've had a good experience over time with it. So this is a quick one. That's why I regret buying the VL300. Don't buy the VL300 if you can help it, but if you're in a pinch, go for it. Just know you're gonna need to invest another $100 every year, okay? Thanks for watching the channel. Please like and subscribe. I got some videos that might be helpful to filmmakers, wedding filmmakers, and thanks for watching.